Hello everyone watching. I was unable to do my normal YouTube presentation because I was sick with Felis catus. I have another job. I don't just upload videos all day long because if I did, I'd have a lot of videos and a slow internet connection. Also I'm an IT guy. That kind of guy that tells you to move over and let him do it because he can't figure out how to tell you to do it. Wait, where was I? Ah, yes. My cat, it's hacked my computer. Also, I think she started dating Microsoft Sam. Special disclaimer. Having your cat sit on your computer keyboard could be hazardous to your computer. It could delete files, screw up your registry, download viruses, trojans, and malware, and also fill up your hard drive with pictures of LOL cats. Many people work very hard on their YouTube videos. Scripting, editing, writing, producing, directing, filming. What's the point of that when a video of a cat doing exactly what it always does can get millions of views anyway? So without further ado, here's a video of my cat doing exactly what it does all the time. Jumping on stuff. Enjoy.
Kitty, what are you doing on there? What is she doing? This is my computer. What is she doing? Are you looking at something on the web? Seriously, why are you on my computer? Huh? Get off my computer! Get off of it! Get off of it! See, you're making it beep! Don't you care? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. See, look! Things are popping up on the screen. Stop making that noise! Why are you doing that? You're pressing buttons! Stop it, Snookie! You're making Microsoft Sam talk. Stop it!
List invisible seems to be the foreground window pane read only. Time for base to your search, turn left, parenthesis S, edit text.
Kitty, you're gonna break my computer.
Space. S. Control. Space. H. I. Control. Space. Stay. H. Shift. T. Shift foreground window. Help and support center. OK. Push button to press. Menu end. Menu end. Yes.
Get down from there now. Come on. Come on. Get down. Crazy cat. You like the computer? You're crazy. Say hi to everyone. Say, I'm a crazy cat. Say, I'm a crazy cat. Say, I'm a crazy cat.
Did you laugh? Did you cry? Was it better than Spaghetti Cat?